Christmas Eve and we feel like baking. Am I right? So I was looking, trying to figure out what to make. Somebody's at my door. We're trying to figure out what to bake. So I open my pantry and there's a recipe here on the peanut butter. And we're going to make that. And it's just going to be a simple peanut butter cookie, irresistible apparently. It says preheat your oven to 375, so let's do that. Let's look at what we need. 3/4 cup peanut butter, a stick of butter, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk. Don't do that. 1 1/2 cups of flour, baking soda, salt. Okay, so let's get all this.
I get the bowl.
Good.
And I open this. And I didn't get my hand.
You didn't get your hand sticky? Right on. 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to do a half.
We're going to do that. I always do like the butter.
And then a 1/4.
Now,
Baking soda.
so cute.
And then we need 1 1/4 cup
I got to do that
of brown sugar. We want it packed.
one.
Yep, drop like that.
Wow.
We need 3 tablespoons
Yeah.
of milk. One, 2, and 3. Just like that.
Yeah.
Now, what else we need?
Butter.
We got the butter in there. We need 1 egg.
I'll do that. Wow, that was a big crap.
That was a big crack. We need 1 3/4 cup of flour. So 1 cup.
What cup?
And what is it? 3/4?
Yeah. Yeah. I want to make water sugar because it like has on there.
1 1/4 cup of flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a 1/4. Here, you can get a last scoop. Go ahead.
I got a huge one.
Good. Oh, we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla, just a table or a teaspoon. I'm just gonna get everything mixed in, and then y'all can start. Okay. Stir, 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 stir. Ooh, it smells good. All right, so our oven is preheated at 375. I'm gonna spray my pan on down. Axel, will you hand me a spoon? I'm gonna take a spoonful. I'm gonna roll it out, and I kind of want to flatten it down. First batch is in the oven. All right, you guys want to try one?
Yeah.
Go ahead and try one. So our peanut butter ones are out of the oven. We still have another batch in there. I'm gonna set these off to the side to let them cool. All right, with my cookies, I'm just gonna shove Santa right on in there. These These are the ones with the chocolate. Yummy. Good cake. What if we make miniature orange cakes?
Yeah, I got this.
That sounds pretty good to me. Does that sound good to you?
But
I believe Roberta in my comments told me to use buttermilk instead of oil or instead of water. We're gonna do 1 cup of buttermilk.
I want to put in. Put it together.
Yep, together. Half a cup of oil.
That sounds like talking milk. I'll do this one.
Good. All right, we got some sour cream here.
I'll do that.
I got the sour cream. Y'all did the eggs.
You already do it.
I have some orange extract here. I'm just gonna do a little bit. We're just gonna run our. We have cuties. I don't have any oranges, so don't judge me. But we're gonna do cuties because I guess it's the same thing. And if it's not, you don't have to tell me I'm wrong.
Can I do it?
Because it's too late by the time you watch this. All right. And now we just mix it all together. So now I'm just going to start filling my holes into the oven, 350 or 375 actually. Cakes bake for about 50 minutes, and look at these suckers. These are gonna be like, that's a perfect muffin pan I've ever seen one. So I made some frosting. If you guys haven't seen my orange cake video, it's linked below. Check it out if you guys want to know how to make the frosting and stuff like that. I have the recipes and everything for that. I was gonna film it, but there's just a lot going on in here. I had some people show up, and yeah, so the frosting's simple. I'll have the recipe linked below also. It's a very simple frosting recipe. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take, because these are still a little warm, and dip the top. Kind of make them like a cupcake almost. Chocolate cherry orange cake. Chocolate peanut butter cookies. We got this cake thing. We got some no-bake cookies over here that Jerry made.
Here. Plates. Those are those meatballs. I got meatball subs. I got potatoes and vegetables. Those are those meatballs and
Sausage.
sausage. Oh, they're so good. And I made some ravioli. We got sauce. It might be fell apart now because somebody was so late.
It's Axel.
Okay, hold on, no.
Let me see it, Axel.
You got to open,
Axel.
stick your hands in there.
Where's your
That's
backpack?
a new one.
Oh, let me see the Hot Wheels.
Stick your hand in there. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Stick your hand in there. Look at this. Oh my gosh. What is that? It's airplane.
I know, I want to open it.
Ask him.
Santa's coming down the chimney, ho, ho, with a grin. Smells my Christmas cookies and he dives right in. Chocolate chips flying, frosting on his beard. Dad's simply cooking Christmas, best time of the year. Santa's coming down the chimney, ho, ho, with a grin. Smells my Christmas cookies and he dives right in. Chocolate chips flying, frosting on his beer. Dad's simply cooking Christmas. Best time of the year.